is just a quick tutorial. If you're struggling with Task Scheduler, just how to run a bat file at startup. So, for example, I've tried many different methods and stuff to, just run a normal bat file at startup, and for some reason, it doesn't really want to work for me. I've tried a bunch of setups, and the bat file I want to run just doesn't want to start up at startup. So I found a different method. So what you want to do is go to your bat file. For example, I'm running this Minecraft server, and if I send a shutdown command or restart command to the server, then if it restarts, I want this bat file to start up automatically, because I don't want to go into the computer, log in remotely, start this up, or anything like that. So first things first, you can just create a shortcut, set it to desktop. Okay, there we have it here. Then you can open up the run command. Okay, once that is done, you can just put in shell startup like this. Okay, once that is done, you basically just drag and drop it into here. I'm not going to do that because it's already there. Just drag and copy it in, or cut and paste it into this folder, and that's basically it. It's very straightforward, not as complex as Task Scheduler, and works for me, and no problem at all. Okay, thanks guys.